June has come to an end, and these are the results I've achieved this month so far using the US30 strategy. I've been trading only US30 on this chart that I'll be showing you. The exact same one we're using inside our trading community. It's the strategy I teach to everyone inside the academy, inside the Signal channel, and in the overall community. Several members have started seeing solid results using it, but above all, the strategy is profitable and it can be learned in a very simple and straightforward way. Now, this is the result I've had up to today, June 30th. The return is 3.43%. Today's profits haven't shown up yet on the report. They will appear in about 24 hours. The total profits this month so far are $3,642, a 3.43% gain. And that's just for this month. If we look at the overall performance, we're seeing approximately 38% growth. This is from the main account that I use for real trades, for funded accounts, and for everyone who's following the signals. I try to replicate the same trades. Occasionally, I don't take some due to time constraints, but it's very rare. The strategy I use to get these results, this is a verified account, by the way, and you can check the link yourself, is very simple and intuitive. It's based on channels, support and resistance levels, highs and lows, and it's all explained inside the trading community. Let's break it down. Today, for example, we had a very short but solid trade that gave us approximately 1.66%, and that's not bad at all. One thing I always say is that the best trades follow the trend, and here's where I made a mistake. My analysis should have focused on this zone where price had already been respected before. I could have placed a sell entry around here and it would have hit the target quickly, but I didn't do that. Instead, I gave out a buy signal, which is the one you see here. I also gave a sell signal, but it didn't activate. The buy did. The rules are the following. We go for a 1-to-1 risk reward, then we move to break even. And if price keeps moving, when it hits something close to 1-to-2, we shift to 1-to-1 locked in profit. Meaning we move the stop loss to protect that percentage of gain, whether that's 1%, 10%, or 20%, depending on your risk. That's exactly what happened today. We had a good trade that gave us 1.66%. This was done with the Spanish-speaking trading community. I also run an English-speaking group. In case you didn't know, today's signal was sent before the move happened, and the rebound happened exactly where the trade setup had been marked. We sent the buy entry, and once we reached 1% profit, we locked it. The trade nearly hit 2%. Still, we closed with a clean 1% profit, and that's not bad at all.
Later on, I was analyzing a possible pullback in this area up here, expecting a sell entry, but it didn't happen. However, it could have easily worked if the price reversed there. That would have been a clean sell. Now, something I truly believe in when it comes to US30 Dow Jones is support and resistance. And it's something that works almost all the time. Just like we saw now, when it hits a clear support or resistance level, we usually get clean pullbacks, textbook style. In this case, the price reached a previous high, broke it, and is now continuing upward. It's retracing, of course, but still following the overall trend. The trade I was aiming for, the one I thought had the best potential for a big win, was a sell. And that was simply because I saw a clear pullback forming within the channel levels. I should have marked the channel and recognized that this was the right zone for the sell. The only challenge is identifying those zones on time before the move happens. But the signal was sent out in time, so our members had a chance to enter and secure profits. The results we've seen inside the Signal channel have been exciting. I've even shared some testimonials on my social media. For example, Lorky
One of our members grew his account from $150 to over $500, making $631 in profits, a 54.23% return on a real account. And the results he got in June were amazing. He actually renewed his subscription because he didn't want to quit. He was about to give up on trading altogether, and now he's growing again. Now, something else I'm working on with the community, you'll notice this high and low section here on the chart. This is a custom indicator I've added to my daily sessions. Initially, the strategy was built around high and low breakouts. For example, if this is the low, I would set a sell entry here, go for a 1, 2, 3, and if price broke that level, I'd let it ride. Same for the high. If price touched the high, I'd prepare for a buy setup. Now I've improved this indicator by adapting it to show New York and London sessions. And I added the option to set how many candles to count back to determine the high and low zones. Not just to trade breakouts, but to identify possible pullbacks where price might reverse. This helps me identify sell setups. Even though today I placed it a bit too high, that was a small mistake. But if I had marked the right zone, I would have had a much better sell opportunity today. As you can see, the signals aren't difficult to follow or understand. This entry, for example, was tight, but it still gave us a 1 to 2 opportunity. I personally closed at 1 to 1, and that's still a good day of trading.
These indicators are all available to our members as part of the trading community. We use WAP, the platform that manages subscriptions. When you join, you'll create a user account that gives you access to the full trading academy, live trading sessions coming soon inside WAP, better video quality, no lag, trading view access with private indicators I use myself. These tools are especially useful for beginners, and they'll help you confirm your trades. Our academy teaches you everything from scratch. I upload one course each week so you have time to learn and practice what you've learned. That's key. You have to practice what you're learning. We cover everything. What is TradingView? What is MetaTrader? What is a broker? How to find a regulated and reliable broker? What is the spread? What is lot size? How to calculate lot size per pip? You'll get access to all this, plus signals, indicators, live sessions, and soon expert advisors and tools like a position size calculator that will automatically open trades for you based on your chosen risk. That way, you don't need to calculate anything manually when placing a trade on MetaTrader. It makes trading easier and more efficient. This tool is already in development and will be available very soon. All of this is available inside our trading community. The results have been solid: 3.43% monthly gain, strong equity growth, consistent trades. You can see all the history. I'll share the public link so you can see all the stats and results we've had from the signals we send with full transparency. If you're in the free signals channel, you've seen that we also send quality signals. For example, signal sent, signal executed, signal closed in profit. I even told everyone to close the trade or take partials or use a trailing stop. There was a pullback, but it nearly hit full TP. We ended up with a 1 to 3 gain from a free signal. If you're not in the VIP channel yet, I send 1 or 2 free signals per week. You just have to follow them. It's not complicated. When you sign up, you get 3 free days of access to the VIP channel so you can test it, see how it works, and decide if you want to join us. Also, the community includes an affiliate program. If you refer someone, you earn 50% recurring commission. That way, you're not just earning from trading, but also covering your monthly subscription just by referring 2 friends. And if those friends refer others, you can even make a profit from sharing the community. So these were the results for the month. They've been very strong. The strategy remains the same: liquidity, smart money concepts, support and resistance, channels, pullbacks. We apply it all daily to find profitable trades. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.